If you are looking for a modern payment card with easy online use and global access, you might have come across RedotPay. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know: features, fees, pros, cons, and whether you should get it or not. What is RedotPay? RedotPay is a digital payment service that offers a virtual and physical card you can use for online payments, subscriptions, and everyday spending. It is designed to be simple, fast to set up, and accessible globally. Key features. Here are the main features. Virtual and physical card. You can get a virtual card instantly and use it right away. A physical card is also available for in store payments. Global payments works with most international websites and services, making it useful for subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, or online shopping. Easy setup. Registration is quick and you can start using the card within minutes. App management. You can track spending, manage your card, and control settings directly from the app. Multiple currency support. Supports payments in different currencies without needing multiple cards. Fees and pricing. RedotPay is generally affordable, but here's what to expect: small card issuance fee for physical cards, possible transaction or conversion fees depending on usage. Some services may have monthly or inactivity fees. Always check the latest pricing inside the app because fees can change. Pros: fast and easy to set up, works well for international payments, virtual card available instantly, clean and simple app interface, good for online subscriptions and purchases. Cons: fees can add up depending on usage, not as widely trusted as major banks yet. Customer support can be slow sometimes, limited advanced features compared to traditional banking apps. Who should use it? RedotPay is a good choice if you need a quick online payment card, if you shop or subscribe to international services, if you want something simple and easy to manage. But it may not be ideal if you are looking for a full banking solution or advanced financial tools. Final verdict. Overall, RedotPay is a solid option for simple everyday online payments. It is not perfect, but it gets the job done, especially if you want fast access and global usability. And that is it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Turn on the bell icon in order to not miss anything. And let me know down below in the comments, would you try Reddit Pay or not? Thank you for watching and goodbye.